Hey everyone, in a minute you're going to see a video of us making chili. So I wanted to give you the ingredients in case you want to make it yourself. So for the recipe, it calls for a pound of dried beans or 2 to 3 cans of canned beans. Calls for 1 to 1 1/4 pounds of ground lean meat, preferably turkey, a tablespoon of olive oil, a cup of chopped onion, a cup of a bell pepper or a medium bell pepper, 2 14.5-ounce cans of no salt added tomatoes, about a can of water, a garlic clove crushed, 1 teaspoon salt, which is optional, a tablespoon of chili powder, a teaspoon of ground cumin, and 1/8 teaspoon of black or white pepper. Having chili tonight. And since chili is high in iron as well as vitamin C because of the beans and the tomatoes, I thought this would be a great thing to show you. And my husband got a lot of stuff ready for me, so this should be quick and easy. And that's what I love about chili, is it's really easy. And you can use dried beans, but we are just going to use canned beans. I'm using my chili con carne recipe that I have on here from my Recipes from Homeschooling Dietitian Mom, which you can find in my store. So the great thing about chili is not only is it delicious, healthy, great time of year to eat it, but it's also very inexpensive to make, especially if you use dried beans and ground turkey. A lot of people don't realize that if you buy good quality ground turkey, that it actually tastes really good. And it's so much cheaper too. Like for example, we got 3 pounds of this yesterday for only $10.99. And it's 85%, 15%, and so the leaner turkey is a little bit less expensive, but compare that to a pound of ground beef, high quality ground beef for $10.99, and you can see what I mean. Okay, so we're this recipe. Some people love to use recipes, and I'm kind of a recipe person, but I made chili enough to know that it doesn't take that much to make it taste good. So just to let you know, when you're making a chili, of course it depends on how many servings. This particular recipe makes 8 servings, or you can use your own beans. And it's actually okay to mix them and match them. Since this is what we had in the house, this is what we're using, and because we're using canned beans, I'm gonna rinse them. Ground turkey is lower in saturated fat. And like I said previously, I don't just eat it because it's better for me. I actually like it better. Go ahead and add the vegetables, which my lovely husband already mixed up. He already cut for me, so in they go. Saving me some time there. My husband's having a little bit of a cow because he doesn't like spicy things. Now, my husband wasn't dealing with me. He would probably use 3 or 4 cloves. You would? Okay, I don't know. Well, if you're someone who likes pepper, I almost feel like it could use more chili powder, actually, after realizing how much we're putting in here. So I might just add a little more chili powder. So as you can see, the chili might be a little thinner than you like, so you can either cook it longer to cook it down, or you can also add some cornstarch. So how much cornstarch would you add? How would you do that? You would take the cornstarch and you would mix it with a little water. Otherwise, if you just throw the cornstarch in, you might get clumps. In fact, you probably will get clumps. So probably that's okay. This is a part of the. So I'm like, I don't want to affect the flavor. No, okay. You are easy. You can talk to me. Okay. And then how long does it usually take? Good. It's hot. Yep. If you want the recipe, type in chili in the comments below. And so happy to have you here to watch us and be here with us tonight. Okay, so what? Oh, I'm sorry.
You don't do that to cornstarch.
What do you mean I don't? Oh.
It's all over you.
Whoops. Okay.